The latest release, version 0.1.77, includes a revamped multisig creator. So I'm just going to take you through a really quick tutorial to demo it. Here we are on the test chain. Okay, we're going to come over to the plus button here from our active wallet tab to create a wallet. We're going to choose multisig. You'll then be presented with a little explainer. Basically, this is fully customizable. So in this big text box here, you're going to see your fingerprints and your XPubs appear. So the first thing we can talk about is the derivation path. The only thing that would change there is this 1. That's because we're on testnet. If we were on mainnet, the 1 would be a 0. Otherwise, that is static. It doesn't change. You cannot change it, and it is the common derivation path for Bech32 multisig wallets. Spectre, Electrum, and Coldcard all support it. Here you can add in a fingerprint, your master key fingerprint. So a device like a Coldcard will want to see that master key fingerprint when it goes to sign transactions. You can either enter your own BIP39 words. So say, for example, you don't have a fingerprint or you don't know your XPub, you can just paste your words into there and Fully Noted will automatically derive them for you. You can also just paste in an XPub and also manually paste in a fingerprint. So we can go ahead and show you that now. Paste in the TPub and the fingerprint. Okay, and so once you've got, you always need a fingerprint and you always need an XPub. Once you've got everything, tap the plus button. The key's been added, so you can see here that's the fingerprint and that's the XPub. And you can add as many of these as you want. I think 15 is the limit with Bitcoin Core. I can't remember off the top of my head. If you want Fully Noted to generate all of it for you, you can also do that by tapping the refresh button. And so it'll generate this set of words, which you always want to copy and back up because Fully Noted does not remember these words from this screen at all. The only thing it's going to remember is your XPub and your fingerprint. So you want to back those up immediately. You can go ahead and add them. So the key's been added. As you can see, it immediately forgets everything up here. The words are gone forever. They're deleted from memory. Now we can go ahead and create a wallet. We'll create a 2 of 2. So it'll just automatically ask you what kind of quorum to create there. And it's going ahead and talking to your node. It's creating a wallet. It's creating multisig descriptors. So everything is BIP67 compatible. That means the order of the XPubs does not matter when we're creating this wallet. So and that's also compatible with Electrum and Coldcard. All right, we've got our 2 of 2 successfully created. You can also export this to your Coldcard. So here you've got options to where you can export this .txt file. I'm not actually going to export it. We also just display it right here for you so you can copy and paste it and do whatever you want. It's a good way of just backing up your public key information anyway. Right, so now we've got our 2 of 2 on Fully Noted. We can just come back. You can see it just creates a label there for you, depending on what the quorum is. We haven't received anything. To receive to the wallet, you can go ahead and come over here and I'll go ahead and send some testnet Bitcoins to myself. I'll pause the video while I do that. 0.009 BTC. Again, this is testnet. It's not real money. We've got one confirmation down here. And if you remember, these are our 2 sets of words that we use to create the multisig wallet with. Right now, this is completely watch only. So we can go ahead and try and just send some Bitcoins to ourselves just to illustrate that for you. So just getting an address, send. That's the receiving address, and we'll just send a little bit on chain. Okay, so it automatically gives us a PSBT. So if, say, one of these seeds was on a Coldcard or something, you could go ahead and export that .psbt file. We're going to go ahead and make it fully spendable. we made a mistake, we want to recover our wallet immediately. So what we would need to do then is come over here to the fully noted signers and just add these two. So you can literally just copy and paste the whole thing in one go. It automatically checks that the words are valid. Yep. And then you can also add an optional passphrase. We're not going to do that. Okay, signer successfully encrypted and saved securely to your device. Awesome. All right, and we'll do that again for our second set of words. Okay, again, add signer, and we're good to go. Now we will be able to fully spend from this wallet. You can always tap the info button to get all the information. So here you can see our two sets of signers have been added. So you know that this wallet is going to be fully spendable. I need to come back here and get this address again. Okay, we will send. Paste it in there. We'll just go ahead and sweep it. Okay, and we will broadcast. I'm going to use my node, and that's done. And that is how you can use Multisig and recover your Multisig wallets with fully noted. It's important to note, you can add any XPub or ZPub in here. You just need to make sure that that XPub or ZPub is derived from this derivation. All right, thanks for watching, guys.